Hi all. Today I'm going to tell about something which is affecting most of the cancer survivors, which is nothing but the chemo brain. So what is chemo brain? Chemo brain is the mental clouding or fogginess which is happening because of the chemotherapy. It is one of the side effects of the chemotherapy. So sometimes it happens due to radiation or surgery as well, but mostly this is caused because of the chemotherapy. So what are the common side effects or symptoms of the chemo brain? The chemo brain, it causes decreased short-term memory, problem finding the words, short attention span, and difficulty concentrating and multitasking. The best way to get a complete picture of your cognitive functioning is to have neuropsychological testing. Your oncologist can refer you to this evaluation. So information from this neuropsychological testing is extremely helpful to share it with your uh, working places, especially for the working professionals, which will help them, their company, to understand their problem and help, which may help them to support the survivors. So this is mainly I'm providing this topic today for the working professionals because they may find it extremely difficult to cope up with their work after the chemo brain. So when they are having this chemo brain, they will not have the concentration power, or they may not be able to give their productivity at their best. So they have to undergo this neuropsychological testing in order to find out whether they have chemo brain or not, and they can produce results to their company. So what is this basically? Is it a body or mind fatigue? So this is kind of mind fatigue. So the chemotherapy generally has side effects like body fatigue, but there is also mind fatigue, which is only we called as chemo brain. So this chemo brain, when it will go away? This chemo brain, it will generally fades away within 9 to 12 months after completing the chemotherapy, but some people, they will have nearly 6 months as well. So it all depends upon your dosage of chemotherapy, the how much your age factors and everything. So how to reduce the symptoms of chemo brain? So this is especially beneficial for the working professionals. So in order to use these techniques not to reduce the symptoms of chemo brain. So regular exercise, it will definitely help in alleviating the chemo brain symptoms. Aerobic exercises like walking, running, dancing, or cycling are proved to better improve their mental strength better and their resistance as well. So it is also important to receive treatment if you have any particular kind of depression, anxiety, or sleeping problems. The survivors have to get their thyroid, vitamin D, and B12 levels checked, and they have to get treated for that separately. So in order to improve this cognitive functioning, there are certain brain exercises which the survivors have to do. So the brain exercises, it includes solving puzzles, solving riddles, and Sudoku, and doing more sort of brain games, memory games. It will really help the survivors to fight back against this side effects of the chemotherapy. Also, the another important, the beneficial method is meditation. So while meditating, we have to sit in a calm posture and take deep breaths. And when we meditate, our brain functioning gets improved, and it helps to reduce the symptoms of the chemo brain. So these are some of the factors which I had thought of sharing, and I thought of it would be helpful for the survivors, especially for the working professionals. Hope this video is useful for you. If you find my video useful, kindly do like, share, and subscribe, and click the bell icon for notifications. Thank you.